When to seek medical help for hip replacement infection. Imagine waking up after a hip replacement and noticing something feels off. It might be a little pain, but sometimes it can be a sign of something more serious. If you've had a hip replacement due to osteoarthritis or other joint issues, staying alert to signs of infection is key. Infections after hip surgery are rare but can happen. They can occur at the surgical site or spread through the bloodstream. Recognizing the symptoms early can make a big difference in treatment and recovery. Look out for persistent pain that doesn't get better with rest or even worsens over time. If your hip feels stiff or you notice redness, swelling, or warmth around the surgical area, don't ignore it. These signs can indicate an infection. Fever, chills, or sweating are also warning signs that your body is fighting something off. If you see any drainage from your wound that lasts longer than a few days, it's time to see a doctor. Difficulty moving your hip or a sudden decrease in how much you can move it can also be signs of trouble. If you experience any of these symptoms, don't wait. Early medical help can prevent the infection from spreading or causing more damage. Your doctor will likely examine you and review your medical history. They might order X-ray images or blood tests to check for infection. Sometimes, they will take fluid from the joint to analyze it further. Treatment depends on how severe the infection is. If it's superficial, antibiotics might be enough to clear it up. But if the infection is deep or involves the implant, surgery may be necessary. Surgical options include cleaning out infected tissue, called debridement, or removing the implant altogether. In some cases, a two-stage procedure is done. First, the infected implant is removed and an antibiotic spacer is placed. After the infection clears, a new implant is inserted. Monitoring your recovery closely with your healthcare provider is essential. Follow all post-operative instructions carefully, especially regarding wound care. Good hygiene and prompt attention to symptoms can help prevent infections from developing. Remember, if you notice any signs of infection, seeking medical help quickly can save your joint and your health. Don't delay if you see redness, swelling, pain, or other symptoms. Acting fast can lead to better outcomes and a smoother recovery process.